Right, g'day eBlock. In this video, I'm going to show you how to save your design brief and research for Project Toy Story. So you'll see here, I've finished my design brief. I've completed all my safety considerations as well as my types of plastic for my brief and research. Just make sure that you've compared with features for each plastic and you've got your recommendation for type of plastic to print as well as all your safety considerations. Along with the design brief, that includes all the important aspects. So I'm going to quickly highlight the important aspects um, in this design brief for your reference. Okay, so what are you responsible for? Designing a 3D plastic toy, right? It needs to be a mode of transportation, capable of movement, right? Carry a practical load. So I'm just going to load or payload. Right, that's the next thing. It needs to be visually appealing. And to do that, we'll suggest color. Right, it must include safety features to a target age. Additionally, you can own a maximum limit for each part. It has a maximum limit of 240, so that's your constraint. In fact, so I'll highlight that slightly differently so that you can see this. We would consider as a constraint. You can't go any bigger or longer than that. Let's go back to this yellow, and then I need to save it as an STL file, a 3D printable file, because it will be uploaded. So if you've got all those aspects in your design brief, you should get full marks. Okay, safety considerations, have at least 3 bullet points, right? Okay, so now that you've got your research done, what you need to do is go save this as a PDF before you submit it. If you submit it as a Word document, what will happen often is that the Word document, when you open it up in Teams, throws information all over the place, kicks out information like pictures and what have you. So hence why we save things as a PDF. There are 2 ways to do it. I'm going to show you 2, and then but I'll implement only the one. So the first one is File, and you go Save a Copy, and you're going to go to these 2. This is obviously where you name the first bar there, and then the second one, the drop down, you drop down until you get to PDF, and you just click that. Right, make sure you label it as you've seen me do it. So everything I do is underscored, because in fact I don't need to underscore E Mickleborough, but I can. So my name underscore research and brief underscore Toy Story. So when I go search bar and I type in star research, it'll bring up every bit of aspect to my computer that has the word research in it. So underscoring is a really good way to do it. Then I'm going to save it to my desktop. My desktop. Sorry, you can save it to your EGD file. I'm then going to say save. And if I go to my desktop, sorry, let me go to my desktop, you'll see that it has saved as a PDF document. You can go and access it in your file. If I click it open, you'll see what it comes out like. So there we go. It presents itself really nicely. It's this file then that you go and upload onto your assignment in Teams. The other option is, whilst you're in there, is to go File, Print Microsoft Print to PDF, and then print. And it'll take you through the same saving process. So you'll have to put the file name in and find a file to save it in. That's the other alternative method. Well, good luck with your uploading.